Smile and silence are two powerful tools. Smile is the way to solve many problems. Silence is the way to avoid many problems. Good morning, my dear online students. Firstly, write an example of condensation polymerization in comment box. In previous online class, we have discussed about copolymerization, types of copolymers, usage of copolymers, and molecular mass of polymers. I repeat, during formation of polymers, degree of polymerization of different polymers are different. Therefore, the molecular mass of polymers is not definite. Imagine that A and B are polymers which have 250 and 300 monomer units, so its degree of polymerization are 250 and 300. Thus, A and B have not same molecular mass. That is why the molecular mass of polymer is represented as average mass. Very important. So I repeat, A and B have not same molecular mass. That is why the molecular mass of polymer is represented as average mass. Molecular mass of polymer is expressed in two ways. First is number average molecular weight m bar w. M bar n. The sum of molecular weight of all the polymers present in a polymer sample when divided by total number of polymers present gives m bar n of polymers. Suppose that there are n1 molecules have capital M1 molecular weight, small n2 molecules have capital M2 molecular weight, and so on. Thus, m bar n is equal to sum of molecular weight of all molecules in polymer sample divided by total number of polymers is equal to m bar n. Here, sum of molecular weight of all polymers, sum of molecular weight of all polymer molecules is equal to n1 m1 plus n2 m2 plus ni mi is equal to sum of molecular weight. Similarly, in polymer sample, number of total polymer molecules is equal to n1 plus n2 plus ni is equal to sum ni. So, m bar n is equal to n1 m1 plus n2 m2 plus dot 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 ni mi divided by total number of polymers. Here, sum of molecular weight of all molecules is equal to n1 m1 plus n2 m2 plus ni mi divided by total number of polymers. So, n1 plus n2 plus dot 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 ni. Or we can say that m bar n is equal to summation of ni mi divided by summation of ni. Very, very important formula for numerical. Remember it. Very important. The m bar n is determined by osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure method. Osmotic pressure is a colligative properties of a solution. We shall discuss about colligative properties in our solution chapter. So I repeat, m bar n is determined by osmotic pressure method. Now we take a numerical quotient. Quotient is very important quotient. A polymer sample contains the molecular weight of 20 molecules is 20,000. The molecular weight of 40 molecules is 30,000. And molecular weight of another 20 molecules as 40,000. Very important. Then calculate m bar n. Solution is, since we know that m bar n is equal to n1 m1 plus n2 m2 plus n3 m3. Here, three types molecules are present in polymer sample. So, n1 m1 plus n2 m2 plus n3 m3 divided by total number of polymers, mean n1 plus n2 plus n3. Put the value of n1 m1. Here n1 is equal to 20. m1 is equal to 20,000 plus n2 is equal to 40 into m2 is equal to 30,000 plus n3 is equal to 20 into m3 is equal to 40,000 divided by 20 plus 40 plus 20. Here resultant value is 24. Here 5 zeros present in all numbers, so we can write 10 to the power 5 divided by 20 plus 40 is equal to 60 and 60 plus 20 is equal to 80. And after calculation, m bar n is equal to 30,000. Very important and very simple numerical which related to molecular mass of polymers. Now we take a quotient for numerical quotient for homework. Very important quotient. A polymer sample 30 molecules have 20,000 molecular mass, 40 molecules have molecular mass 30,000, and 30 molecules have molecular mass 60,000. Then calculate m bar n of the polymer. Very important question. Now next, second type of molecular mass of polymer is weight average molecular mass. Weight average molecular mass, which is denoted by m bar W. In a polymer sample, number of molecules of different weights are multiplied by their molecular weights. I repeat, in a polymer sample, number of molecules of different weights are multiplied by their molecular weights, or we can say that molecular mass, and the product obtained is divided by number of molecules then this gives the weight average molecular mass. I repeat, in a polymer sample, number of molecules of different weights are multiplied by their molecular weight, and the product obtained is divided by total number of molecules. This gives the weight average molecular mass. If in any polymer sample total number of molecules is small n and molecular weight of n1 molecules is m1, similarly molecular weight of ni is mi. Mean n1 molecules have molecular weight m1, n2 molecules have m2 molecular weight, and so on. So similarly molecular weight of ni is mi. Then total mass of n1 molecules is equal to n1 m1. Total mass of n2 molecules is equal to n2 m2. Similarly, total mass of ni molecules is equal to ni mi. The value of their product with their molecular weight will be n1 m1 into m1, n2 m2 into m2, and ni mi into mi, or n1 m1 square, n1 m1 square. Similarly, n2 m2 square and ni mi square. So m bar W is equal to n1 m1 square plus n2 m2 square plus ni mi square divided by n1 m1 plus n2 m2 plus ni mi. Or we can say that m bar W is equal to summation ni mi square upon summation ni mi. Very, very important formula for numerical problems. Here m bar W, very important, m bar W is determined by techniques like light scattering, ultracentrifugation, fast sedimentation, etc. Now we take a question for exercise. If a polymer sample 20 molecules have a molecular mass 20,000, 40 molecules have molecular mass 30,000, and 40 molecules have molecular mass 40,000, then calculate m bar W. Solution is, we know that m bar W is equal to sum of mi square upon sum of ni mi. Here n1 is equal to 20 into m1 square 20,000 का square of 20,000 plus 40 into square of 30,000 plus 40 into square of 40,000 divided by 20 into 20,000 plus 40 into 30,000 plus 40 into 40,000. Here after calculation m bar W is equal to 108 into 10 to the power 9 divided by 32 into 10 to the power 5. Resultant value is 33,750. M bar W is equal to 33,750. I hope you liked this video. Please do share and like. We shall meet again tomorrow 9:30 AM. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.